boys and girls, and welcome to Goron Guitar. So we have Jasiah here with a song called Earthquake. This one will be a shorty. We have only 4 chords that goes around and around in the same order and pretty much one way of handling the chords. So very easy, this one. Let's start right away. No need for any capo, and we will start with the chords first. The C sharp minor. You need to put a bar here on the 4th fret from the A string and down, so that means 5 strings, and the rest will be 6 on D string, 6 on G, and 5th on B. The next chord will be A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. The third chord will be E, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be B. So you put a bar now on the 2nd fret from A string and down, 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. Alright, so yeah, you can play the same chords, of course, you will do that. And the first 4 rounds of this chord progression we just looked at, the C sharp minor, A, E, and B, you will play 1 down for each chord. So first 4 rounds of this chord progression, 1 down, and so on. So first 4 rounds, and from there on you will pretty much play the strumming. All right, so how do we play that one? The correct way of it is to play like kind of very common punk rock way. It's downs only. You're chewing here more on the bass strings. So you're gonna play 8 downs fast like that for each chord. So C sharp minor, 8 A's, 8 E's, and 8 B's. That is the most correct way of playing it. If you kind of hate this way of playing, since your hand is almost falling apart, your right hand, then you can choose to play the down ups. It won't give you the same sound or effect, but it can, yeah, ease a little bit for you. So that will be down up, down up, down up, down up for each chord there. So like that, down up, down up, down up, down up. In total 8 downs and ups per chord there. All right, so that is pretty much this song. Just one tip here: when it comes to this song, we will not use the full strummings. That means you don't have to really get all the chords in the way the chords actually look like. So for instance, the C sharp minor, it's pretty much yeah, you don't really need to have the bar here if you don't want to. It's just enough to keep your index finger here on the 4th fret A string and the rest where there should be, and that is enough, because you will not go down to this G, B, and E string. You will just use the bass strings there. Same goes for A. You can just put a bar there. Doesn't matter if you bar even the E down there on the 2nd fret. You will not go down there. And the same goes even for the B. I don't play the B like that in this song. I just use the fingers like this. So we're strumming on the A, D, and G string. That means I just need to have those 3 spots covered there. So I don't need to go in with all my fingers like this. Okay, much easier to grab it like this. So all right, so that's just some extra info there to make it that much easier. So that was pretty much it. Jasiah, Earthquake. Thank you for watching. See you soon, and play tuned.